Look, if you can't get a wholesaling real estate deal after this video, I should just hang it up. I should quit YouTube. I should throw my plaque away. I should just quit wholesaling real estate because I have nothing else to give after this. And so what I'm gonna do today is just give you everything you need to know to get a wholesaling real estate deal right now. No fluff, no games, no gimmicks, everything you need to know to make $30, $40, $50, $60, even $70,000 in the next 30 days with wholesaling real estate. But before I break it down, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. So in my almost 10 years of real estate investing and wholesaling experience, I've done over 4,000 wholesaling real estate deals. And with all that experience in doing all these deals and making millions of dollars, I can simplify all the knowledge that I have in wholesaling real estate into this specific video. And of course, I could do a deep dive and go nuts on everything, but I just want to sum it up for you right now over the past 10 years of knowledge in my head so you can get rich and successful wholesaling real estate. So the picture you're seeing right here is called a conveyor belt. And this is basically how things are made in factories, and they go through a line process and they look at it, they change it, right? Maybe the assembly method, right? But a conveyor belt is exactly how wholesaling real estate operation should be looking at, from a left to right process. And this is how you're going to have success in wholesaling real estate. Think of, again, the conveyor belt, which I'm going to make it look like this. Of course, I can't draw, but just imagine this is a conveyor belt and you pretty much dump a bunch of inputs, right? So the way I like to think about it is like chicken nuggets, right? They throw all this like weird meat and it comes out being like a yummy chicken nugget. Or like, if you ever watch those like How Things Are Made, where it's like, how do you take leather and turn that into a football? Or how is leather made, right? You can go through all this stuff, but pretty much what it is, you have an input, right? So you throw an input in there and you basically get a really cool output. Now it's like, how do they take a piece of plastic and turn it into like a pen? Like what, how did they get ink from a squid? You know, we get those all, we can get in this whole thing all day, every day, right? But like conveyor belt system, like a factory, we have inputs and we have outputs. And this is exactly how you should be looking at wholesaling real estate. You see, the simple input, our input that we put in is our lists. Let's actually make the color different. And our output is actual like cash in our bank account, like a nice, sexy check in the name of you for actual like a deal, right? That's our output. So again, it's pretty simple. We put lists in and we get money out. What we do with the lists to create money, I mean, guys, you gotta remember, you're literally taking a list of properties and turning it into cash. So the first question we have to ask is, well, what type of magical list do we put in? And what do we need to do in this conveyor belt to go out here and get a wholesaling deal? And that's what we're here to talk about, the left to right strategy. And to be specific, it's a step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8-step process from your inputs to your outputs to go out here and make a ton of money in wholesaling. So the first input is going to be your marketing lists. And more specifically, it's like, how do I get the right lists for wholesaling real estate? Now, the right lists are going to come from pretty much 2 main factors. It's going to be in the right market or zip codes, being in the right area for wholesaling real estate, making sure that it's in specifically a nice little buy box for the buyer, and then also the motivation of the list. So the way I like to think about this, right, is you want to be in a good area, but you also want to get a super motivated type of list. Now, how in the world do you figure out what is the right area for wholesaling? Where are the right zip codes? How do we get a buy box? Being in the right market is pretty simple. The way I like to describe it, again, I'm writing this a little smaller. You want to make sure that county has a population of 100,000 people or above. And you want to make sure that the market you're in has a median home price at least $500,000 or below. That's how you know you're in a good wholesaling real estate market. Now, the right zip codes are going to be very similar to the buy box. You want to be in areas where cash buyers are looking to buy. So you might want to go out here and actually pull a list of buyers on a software like xleads.com. You might want to call the for rent list and actually talk to landlords and see where they're looking to buy rentals. You might just want to go to Facebook and find cash buyers. Now, because I like to repeat myself a lot, I will say this only once so this doesn't seem like I'm promoting and pushing everything right. I have a free real estate wholesaling course and community. It's the largest school group in real estate. It's called school.com/wholesaling. Specifically, if you go to freewholesaling.com, also it's the word freewholesaling.com. You could also go to obviously school.com/wholesaling. But obviously, if you go to freewholesaling.com, ooh, shot the shadow, made $8,000 on a deal. Awesome. But if you go to freewholesaling.com, I have an entire course section where I go way more in depth about this stuff, especially with the marketing, the ARV, the acquisitions, the pulling the lists, and all these things. If you want to check it out, go to freewholesaling.com. The word free, the word wholesaling.com, freewholesaling.com. wholesaling.com. And I talk about more about how to find cash buyers. And you're going to talk to your cash buyers. And again, I'm not trying to like brush over, oh, just talk to buyers, blah, blah. How do I find buyers? Guys, go to freewholesaling.com. All the info in the Dispo guide is right there. I actually have real live modules and actually talking about how to talk to buyers and actually me doing live calls with buyers in here, which is really cool. But you gotta go through the course first and we'll tell you all about it. But zip codes and buy box, right? So you want to ask the buyers where they're looking to buy. Then from there, you want to get very, very, very motivated lists, right? So these are going to be lists with a ton of motivation. I always prefer government lists. Also, you can have drying for dollars lists, or if you want to go even crazier, you can cold call like for sale by owners or something. That's another way to go out here on Zillow. But I would prefer for most people watching this to probably stick to government lists. And then on adding that too, there are AI lists, which I'm losing space on here. AI lists inside of xleads.com, which will show you how to do that too. And I'm going to put it in the corner here because I am losing space, but you're going to hear me talk about a software a lot in here. It's called xleads.com. It's the all-in-one wholesaling real estate software. I highly recommend it. And that's basically the software I use to find cash buyers, all my skip tracing. It's got the most accurate skip tracing. It's a CRM, a dialer, texting. It's all in one for under $97 a month. It's literally one of the largest wholesaling real estate softwares by far. And pretty much I run my whole business off of xleads. You don't need xleads to do a wholesale deal, but it makes your life a lot easier. So I would check out xleads.com. And the reason I'm throwing it on here in writing is I'm not going to mention a million times in the video, but I'm telling you, if I do mention xleads, it's right here, the link xleads.com, xleads.com right there. Okay, cool. So xleads has a bunch of AI lists. So they do AI drying for dollars. They have AI predictive lists where the AI from xleads will predict how likely someone's to sell or not. To be fair, I would only stick to government lists, the AI lists, and I'd probably steer clear of drying for dollars if you can use an AI list. Now, if you're not using an AI list, I would do drying for dollars instead. But remember, government data is going to be like tax delinquencies, fire damage properties, water shutoffs, pre-foreclosures, probates. But if you're getting started, I'd probably stick to government data and AI lists. Now, government data, again, code violations, pre-foreclosures, tax liens, tax delinquencies, liens in general, pre-foreclosures, probates. It's all inside of freewholesaling.com, which I already mentioned a million times today. I'd go there to grab the government data. I actually have a list of all the government lists you can pull live inside the course. And I'd be pulling the government data. The reason why I tell you to pull government data is first, you can take that data and then import it into xleads to get it skip traced. But also, most people just go to xleads.com and just pull a standard high equity list. I'm actually not the biggest fan of doing that because everyone and their mom can just go press high equity and pull a list. Like, it's actually pretty easy. But to go out here and pull government data, there's just less wholesalers, less competition, and less saturation doing that. So for wholesaling real estate now, government lists and AI lists are going to be the move. Now from there, number two, you're going to get your skip tracing. So I'm going to write skip tracing right here. And when you get these lists, you're going to need to get their phone number. Now I already told you a million times, just go to xleads.com for the skip tracing. I used to say, there's a bunch of free skip tracing platforms you can check out too. But honestly, it's a waste of your time because if you're going to skip trace a list of, let's say 1,000 government lists, you could probably work about 20 hours. It would take you at least 40, 50 hours on the weekends to skip trace for free. But if you just spent those 40 hours working at like Chick-fil-A, you would have like $500, which pays for xleads for like 6 months. So literally off of one list, if you just worked a part-time job, it would pay for xleads a million times over. So go to xleads. Now, if you have absolutely no money at all, the website I'd recommend for your skip tracing is cyberbackgroundchecks.com. Now, number three here is your marketing in the conveyor belt. And this is really when the rubber hits the road because now we have a list that is skip traced. And now we need to go actually reach out to these sellers with our marketing channels. So specifically your marketing channels. The way I like to think about marketing is it's two things. Marketing is a list and a channel. So a list is obviously the input and the channel is the way we take that input and attack it with the seller. So the two channels I'm going to recommend is to cold call and to go out here and SMS text blast. Now to cold call, xleads has a dialer. There's also an SMS text blasting automated service within xleads for a penny per text. You could send 1,000 text out automatically like that. But if you're on a cold call using a paid service, xleads is obviously the choice. I don't want to repeat myself, but if you're gonna do it for free, like cheap, I would recommend a service like Google Voice. And Google Voice right here is gonna be the best dialer completely for free. Now we're gonna talk about after this too, exactly how many calls and texts and lists you should be doing. But just understand the third step of this process is gonna be calling and reaching out to these people. Now step 4 here is actually going out here and getting these leads and getting them inbound. So these are gonna be your leads and your qualifying. And this is really taking all the yeses from our calling and text, right? All of the people that say, yes, I want to sell into a qualification process. And then to step 5, we go out here and make the offer, right? The appointment, virtually, in person, right? We go out here and make the offer. Then from there, we get it locked up. Step 6, we get the contract, we find the cash buyer in Dispo, and then nice at 8, we actually cash out, we close the deal, and get our cash wholesaling real estate right here. So this is the whole nutshell of how to wholesale houses right now. Again, you're going to input a list, right? You want to get a list in the right market, figure out exactly if the population of the county is over 100,000 or below. You want to make sure the median home price is $500,000 or below. Make sure you reach out to buyers to get the right zip codes, the right buy boxes. Figure out a highly motivated list. So I prefer government lists and the XLeads AI lists. Import that data inside of XLeads and get to going. If you're not going to use XLeads, then just stick to trying for dollars in the government lists. I would skip trace using xleads.com. Then for marketing channels, cold call and text, I do that through XLeads or use Google Voice for free. And then if you do skip tracing for free, cyber background checks. If you're going to qualify the sellers, now to qualify them, I go to the freewholesaling.com classroom because I teach it all inside of our acquisitions guide right here. So right here, how to qualify the sellers, and you get some downloads on there, which is really nice. Then from there, you're going to make the offer to the seller. Now you're going to lowball the snot out of them. Now, again, if you want to figure out exactly how much to offer a motivated seller, inside of freewholesaling.com right here, which is completely for free, we actually have a software to generate the calculation for you with AI, which is actually really cool. Again, it costs no money at all. So again, at freewholesaling.com. And then from there, you write a contract, which we have a contract signed at freewholesaling.com. You find a cash buyer on the Dispo, which we teach in freewholesaling.com. Then from there, you close, Dispo, and profit. Now, the real question here is, okay, Zach, you told me a lot of the process, but what are the KPIs? Like, what are the key performance indicators with that specific process? Well, to be honest, your KPIs need to start with your lists first, then your marketing channels. So specifically your calls made, your contact rate, your texts you send out, the amount of offers you make, the amount of leads you generate. And that all is going to help you figure out how much money you make, right? So I'd say on average for a list, you want to get about 3,000 government lists and probably an extra 1,000 AI lists with XLeads. Then from calls, obviously you want to call all 3,000 people. For texts, you want to text approximately 20% less of that list, because what you're going to do is you're going to call all 3,000, and everyone that doesn't pick up, you're going to call. So roughly 2,400 texts. Now, out of all these 2,400 texts, you're probably going to end up getting maybe, I would say, 3 leads. You're going to make probably 2 offers because some of them did not qualify. And then from there, you should get 1 contract, and you should roughly get I would say a 15% contact rate. That should be your goal, which means if you call 3,000 people, hopefully 400 to 600 people pick up the phone. Same thing with text and people replying back to you. But this should generate about 1 contract, which should end up being 1 deal per month. So this should be a nice little $25K a month system. Now, obviously your real question here is, okay, Zach, well, once I'm doing a deal a month, right? If I'm making $25,000 a month, how do I scale that up? How do I get to 50K a month or 75K a month? Well, the truth to scale it is you're just going to add more lists, right? Then you go to XLeads and start downloading more data, right? And all you're going to do is just up the amount of calls, up the amount of lists, up the amount of texts, and they'll up your leads, your offers, your contracts, your deals, and your money, right? So again, in the conveyor belt, if you want to, in the factory, produce more toys or more phones or more pens, what do? You put more inputs in, you get more plastic, more ink, and more conveyor belts, which is different lists and different channels and more calls, and you just up the marketing and you get more leads, more contracts, more deals. Simple as that. There's never a shortage if you get a property locked up for super, super, super low to sell to a cash buyer for you to make an assignment fee. You got to remember, if you have a real estate deal that you can sell to a cash buyer and they can make money, there's pretty much an unlimited amount of people looking to buy discounted real estate. The only way in this process you're going to be struggling is if you're marketing, if you get deals locked up under contract that aren't true discounts, because a buyer won't make money. And why would they buy that if it doesn't make them money? You got to remember, a cash buyer is actually going to buy from you because it actually makes them money. And so to really break this down and talk about this, I want to give you my 5 lessons I've learned in 10 years of wholesaling real estate that's going to absolutely skyrocket your success so you don't make any of the earlier mistakes I made. Number 1, and this is pretty easy, but literally go out here and just do the KPIs. And basically what this means is if I tell you to pull 3,000 lists and do all those KPIs I listed, do it. And guys, like, I'm not doing that to be funny or to scream in front of a camera and tell you, you gotta do this, you gotta do. No, like, I'm telling you this because this is what you have to be doing. And if you can do the 3,000 calls and get the 2,400 texts, you will go out here and make the money. But don't go out here and complain to me that I can't become successful. Why not? Because you're not doing the dang KPIs, bro. If I tell you the KPIs, you do the KPIs. Number 2, you need to be inside of a community. Be in a community. More specifically, be inside of freewholesaling.com, my free real estate wholesaling course. If you go inside of freewholesaling.com, you're going to meet a community of other successful wholesalers, other people in the business. Because what I found is you're going to be very lonely sometimes in this game. You're going to feel like you're the only person within your family and friends that are doing this crazy wholesaling real estate estate thing. And if you're in a community with other people doing it, you're going to feel more empowered, more excited, and you're going to see wins every single day and people doing deals. And it's just so exciting. And wow, I can do it too. So be in the community. You're also going to learn a ton in the community, which is going to make you even better talking to sellers and doing wholesaling deals. 3 here, test everything. What I mean by this is, guys, you need to test out code violations, probates, fire damage properties, test cold calling, test texting, test all the marketing lists and channels and see which one's working for you and which ones aren't working. This also means texting zip codes and different areas in your market to see what's working, what's not, and be constant student of the game of testing and learning new things and doing more of what's working and less of what is not working. Next here is going to be studying acquisitions and just study the art of closing sellers. So again, that's all going to be in our acquisitions guide here in freewholesaling.com, where we break down the entire process to go out here and close motivated sellers. And honestly, it's a lot of practice. Most people skip this for some reason. Going through this will make you a lot better talking to motivated sellers and actually knowing what to say. It's going to make you an absolute gangster at closing motivated sellers. And it's actually going to help you in wholesaling so much more. And lastly, go all in. No excuses. Guys, there's no other thing that you're going to do to get rich. This is it. This is the time you're going to get rid of all your distractions and go all in on wholesaling real estate. No excuse of why you don't feel good or you don't feel up to doing the calls today or going out here and doing the marketing. You're going to make a change for your life and your family right now by wholesaling houses. And so if you're ready to go all in wholesaling real estate, guys, do me a favor. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe. Don't forget to go to freewholesaling.com and let's go out here and get rich and get successful wholesaling real estate. Change your life and your family's life with the power of wholesaling real estate. Guys, got any value from this video, do me a favor. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.